Coca-Cola building, and we're gonna try so much different tastes. And there is ice cream inside, so it's basically a Coca-Cola float with different flavors.
Coca-Cola float. Try it, yeah, go. Sprite float.
This is what I call Sprite. I think it's gonna taste okay. Maybe? Sequencer? Grape. Fanta grape. Oh,
Fanta grape.
Il n'y a pas de...
Non, elle a tout fondu dedans.
Wait, that's actually good though.
C'est bon?
That's good. This is the best. No. This is the best. No.
Oh,
It tastes like
you got
apple.
that.
It tastes like cough syrup. This is the best.
The best.
This is not good.
Let's taste anything.
I don't like cherry.
Try it.
It's even more like medicine.
Oh no. It's kind of good. It tastes like the toothpaste that you get when you're at the dentist.
No, it tastes like
Ça sent quoi?
Attends, je vais mettre la crème glacée, ça sent rien. Non?
I'm holding the ice cream. So I actually have ice cream. I don't know about this one. Me too.
That one looks the same.
Me too.
Yeah, that one probably is going to be the best.
Okay.
Wait, this actually tastes like blueberry.
Ouais, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon.
Ah, c'est bon.
Celui-là, il est bon. Celui-là, il est bon. Non? Tu aimes ça?
J'ai pas plein.
Attends, je vais te donner du liquide.
No, don't. But this one's going to be good.
I already know this one is good. I think this is raspberry. It's not. I don't think I like it. I have a bubble. I have a bubble. It is. I have a bubble.
Cheers. Ready?
Bubble.
Go.
When you said cheers, I went.
Ah, c'est bon ça.
All right, that's good. You don't like it, Emma?
The best.
I think the Fanta orange float is the best. What do you think? Which one do you think the best is?
Where'd it go? Okay, my favorite is the Fanta grape float is first.
You
I
think?
would say the Fanta is second.
This first one is the last one.
First one is the best.
So So the Coca-Cola float.
Grape is in last. And the red cream float is in last with grape.
Mais c'est où tu vas?
We're going in the pool.
Qui va aller se baigner?
Not me, but I have no choice. I'm the father. That's my choice.
Nothing can stop us now.
Except the cold.
It's not the goal.
Hidden Mickey. Hidden Mickey.
Nothing can stop us now.
Hey!
Wasn't me, it was mom. Ow.
That was you. You hit him, then playing with Art.
Okay, which one now? Let's go do those ones.
I like my favorite one is I don't know how he's going to He's ready.
Huh?
I'm freezing.
You're freezing?
I don't know how this is going to go. That was my favorite.
Yeah, that's so good. What? What's wrong?
This is cold.
Get it out.
No,
You have to.
I'm freezing.
You wanted to come in. This is your idea.
No, it was everybody. It was mommy's idea.
What? J'ai même pas de costume de bain.
Oh, it's actually warmer in the water than out there.
Oh
It's hotter in the water than there.
my.
Yeah, when you get out.
This is better. I did a challenge. There was a challenge. I did it.
We're the only ones who are not scared. Everyone else is chickens.
Yeah.
Chickens.
It's hot in here.
I'm not scared to go in the water. That's cool.
Yeah.